Hello, friends. How are you? Welcome, everyone. Because I clicked at the right time, at the most precise moment to enjoy this new video. Thank you for being here. Well, guys, we are going to unlock an iPhone here for all networks, and in this case, we are going to do it with an eSIM. In this case, we are going to do it with an eSIM MKSD Ultra. Apple, Philippine Dynasty, a few weeks ago, released a new software update for these devices. And here is the version of iOS 18.4.1. So let's unlock this type for any company, right? Here I already have a SIM card prepared with the tray, and we will put it in the device to verify whether the device is indeed locked. Right? So you see, there's no trick, no deception, right? Here, I will show you that the device is indeed well locked. Here, it already shows us that the device is updated to the software version. It already loaded here the SIM card, and we need to click on confirm. And I just got the famous message here, unlock. Here is the unlock message. This means that the device is locked, right? The device is locked. So we are going to unlock it with this card here. MKSD Ultra, as you can see. Here is the eSIM. I call it eSIM because that's how everyone knows it worldwide, right? As eSIM. So here I am going to remove the SIM card. Perfect. Now we need to install the eSIM. It has to be placed correctly in the device. Let's see. Attempt to place. There it is. Now we insert the SIM card. Of course, it's hard to do this with one hand. Yes, we will do everything possible to manage to place it in its tray. Let's place it. I apologize that it takes so long, but it's just that with one hand, it's even more difficult to do it. Ready? All set. Now you have to place it in the device. Ready? We've already placed it. We need to wait for the setup menu to appear. And here in the settings menu, I suggest using the third option. The third option is the one we are going to choose. Now we have to choose the company or the carrier to which the iPhone originally belongs. In this case, it is T-Mobile, and now you have to click accept. If you don't know what the original carrier or card of your iPhone is, in the video description, I leave you a link to learn how to check that detail. If you don't know, for example, if it has iCloud, if it's blacklisted. Also, in the video description, I leave you a link to learn how to check all those details, right? And if you're interested, set up or know how to set up all iPhone models, there's also a link below the video to show you a complete tutorial on how you can set up all iPhone models. Now here I am going to turn off the Wi-Fi. And here, indeed, it already got the signal. If you have problems getting the signal, no calls, no internet data, if your iPhone is left without service, in the same way, in the video description below, I'll leave you a link so you can learn how to fix or solve that problem, right? So there it is, all complete, all the tricks, all the tips, all the recommendations. I leave them in the description of the video so that you learn to know each one of them and can unlock one of these devices for any SIM card in the world. All right. Now let's try to see if it browses the internet. Indeed, it works very well. We do this test once more and everything is correct. Now we need to test if a call can be made.
Welcome to the NA Call Center. It is our pleasure to assist you. We inform you.
Ready? Everything worked correctly, right? So you saw it was easy and simple to do. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share, and comment with your friends. Leave your questions, inquiries, and comments below the video. I tell you, it was a pleasure. I'm going to answer. And if you want to be part of this community, there's a WhatsApp and Telegram group. So you can join, right? And that's all for today, guys. See you. Until next time. Bye.